I'm Ryan, and today I'm excited to share with you Prima's top gift ideas for espresso lovers in 2024. For even more inspiration, check out the link in the description for this season's buying guides. To kick things off, let's talk about a beginner espresso setup. This is the Cafe Lot Robot manual espresso maker, our top espresso maker for the last 5 years running. This thing makes quality espresso just like an electric machine for a fraction of the price. To complement your new robot, consider the Encore ESP espresso grinder. This is our most economical espresso grinder with a full range of grind sizes from espresso to pour over, so you can brew absolutely anything. And if you want steamed milk on occasion, the Bellman steamer has got your back. This is a stovetop steamer that creates silky milk texture and great latte art. It's good to be precise about espresso, and that's why the Wakako gram scale is a perfect complement to any manual espresso setup. And it even fits right in between the two posts of the Cafe Lot Robot. A clean workspace is a clear mind. Keep your espresso station clear of grounds with the iCape brush set featuring a counter brush and a grinder brush. Let's talk about those espresso lovers in your life who are ready to move on past that beginning stage and make a little bit of an investment in espresso. The Mara X has always been one of my personal favorite espresso machines because it has so many features packed into such a tiny space, including heat exchange with brew and steam priority modes in 3 different temperatures, a cool touch steam wand, and a 58mm group, among a ton of other things, which you can read about on our website. The perfect pairing for your Mara X is a Baristas Forte clad in stainless steel. This is a 54mm grinder with either ceramic or steel burrs for espresso or brew respectively, a digital touch display, and 260 grind settings to cover every possible brew method. Space is precious in a home espresso bar, and a Normcore knock drawer aims to solve that problem. Put your grinder right on top of it, pull the drawer out, and knock your puck. Spring-loaded tampers really are the future of tamping, and the Normcore spring-loaded tamper is one of our best picks. This combines the best of puck-style tampers, utilizing the edge of the portafilter to maintain a perfectly flat tamp, and also giving you the comfort of that traditional tamper handle. Proper grounds distribution is key to an even extraction. The Barista Hustle comb and ring tools are the perfect upgrade for any espresso setup. The ring is a stainless steel magnetic funnel that'll attach to any 58mm portafilter, and the comb is a WDT tool with customizable needles to fit any preference. For the aspiring latte artists out there, the Normcore handleless pitcher is a great upgrade to any handled pitcher. This gives the user more control by bringing it closer to your hand, and also features graduations on the inside to help you measure your milk correctly. Now for that family member who's ready for an endgame espresso machine, the El Rocio Czar might be it. This machine allows complete control over pressure profiling through the use of an outboard controller that modulates power to internal vibratory pumps. It also features programmable automation and a very temperature-stable group head for nice and hot and consistent extractions. An advanced espresso machine needs a top-notch grinder, and the Sculptor 78S is the one to get this year. This grinder features proprietary 78mm vertically mounted burrs made by Timemore, and a platform that is perfect for single dosing with extremely low retention. And overall, this grinder produces insanely clean extractions for both brew and espresso. One of our favorite espresso scales is the Timemore Black Mirror Nano. Not only is this a lithium battery rechargeable scale, it measures in 1/10 of a gram resolution like other premium scales, but this platform is perfectly sized for both an espresso drip tray and a pour-over carafe, making it optimized for multi-purpose use. In addition to that, you get tons of modes in here for all types of pour-over and espresso brewing. This crazy looking device is the Barista Hustle Auto Comb, and it is a semi-automated WDT tool that latches directly onto a portafilter, simplifying the process of grounds distribution to just a few seconds and with a few swipes of your hand. The Happy Tamper, aptly named, is a puck-style tamper with a spring-loaded mechanism that is adjustable to your weight preference and also utilizes the edges of the portafilter to maintain a perfectly flat tamp every single time. Now, for someone who really wants to go down the rabbit hole, adding a paper filter on the top or bottom or both of your espresso puck can totally change the way espresso is extracted and really change the mouthfeel. This is a really inexpensive little stocking stuffer that'll make any espresso lover happy. The iCape pedal shot glass is my favorite shot glass, and I can't stop saying that everything here is my favorite because it really is, okay? This shot glass is totally different than other shot glasses because it features a very wide and shallow mouth and a very pointed spout that does not drip. So not only is it going to prevent your hand from getting burned because it's a long ways away from hot liquid, but it also allows you to very precisely pour espresso into any cup without dribbling back down. The Normcore compact tamping station is a really elegant alternative to a standard silicone tamping mat. It offers you 2 slots, each fit either 54 or 58 millimeter tampers or distribution tools. There's a space for an RDT bottle and 2 slots for puck screens, as well as a tamping station built for either spouted or bottomless portafilters, and you can tamp directly onto this. Let's talk about cups. We all know espresso just tastes better when it's drank out of porcelain, and end cap cups are of the highest quality. These are the black painted rim series. These are available in multiple colors. There's also white if that's your preference. And end cap cups really are just an elegant addition to any home espresso setup. These are the best gifts for espresso lovers in 2024. To see everything we talked about today, plus a ton more recommendations, check out the link in the description for our holiday buying guides. Happy brewing!